everyone, welcome to the demo of Oceanberg, a disaster management and early warning system designed to help users stay informed, ensure safety, and support administration in monitoring and mitigating risk effectively. In this demo, I will walk you through the user, admin, and analytic interface, explaining the features, functionalities, and how they align with the problem statement given. First, let's begin with the user interface. So we will be having an early warning page. First, let's take a look at the early warning page for the user. The page provides real-time alerts about the potential disaster and high-risk situations. So here we have an interactive map all alert showing all alerts. Each alert is color coded by select severity, yellow, orange, red, or green. By clicking on the marker reveals the alert details. And here is a filter option you can use to search particular type of alerts like tsunami, or filter by color orange, or filter by any color, or filter by a place. Let's take an example for Tamil Nadu. We got the Tamil Nadu result, and we will be having all these incoming which are high prioritized in the summary page. And let's move to the next page, that is report. The user can provide the type of incidents, detailed description, location, and even upload the media if needed. All these previously submitted reports are displayed with the current status so the user can track the progress. The user can actively contribute to disaster reporting, which helps improves alert accuracy and responsiveness. So we will be having a filter option to search all the report page. So by like place name, particularly by the alert, that is tsunami, high wave, and we will be getting all these results. And this is the my report page. My report page will be showing all the reports which has been posted by the user. And next, he'll be having a create page where he can create a post and which can be uploaded. So here we'll be having some filters to separate like image, like videos, and all the categories easily, like verified contents. All these things using these filters will be helpful for the user to categorize what are the alerts which has been verified and which has not been verified. And let's move to the next page, which is guide part. So it sets the optimal path for the user location to the safe zone on map. Routes are dynamic, calculated based on the active alerts and hazard areas. User receives step-by-step guidance for the safe evacuation. This supports the requirement for user safety during the emergencies and enable informed decision making. So currently we have provided the safe places locations which will be updated by the admin page. So if we select a particular location, so we will be having a map to this location, and he will be having an SOS alert button to send emergency SOSs, and you can directly interact with the admin by messaging with them. And next you will be having the emergency contact helpline numbers which will be displayed here. Let's begin with the next part, which is admin's interface. The admin page will also be having an early warning page which will be same as the user interface, and you'll be retaining all the features of the user interface like viewing the particular location on summary filter page. And let's move to the next part, which is like report page. So it is a report moderation page where the admins can manage all the incoming reports posted by the user. So basically he can verify the reports, highlight it, delete it which has been posted with user, and he'll be having all these filter features, verified, unverified, and he can basically select all based on the types of alerts. And when we move to the down of the page, we'll be having an official post by the admin. So he can admin also can post the official post which is being displayed to the all the users on the top of the page, which is be verified and highlighted by default. And it will be having the same features as the user report page, like filters option and search bar, and which helps to search the contents. And next move to the next part, which is the guide page. Advanced Guidepath page can validate and update evacuation paths. The map helps ensure safe paths are accurate and up to date. This supports the emergency preparedness and decision making for the safe evacuation. Basically, the admin can update all the safe routes for the user page so that the user can follow the routes which has been updated by the admin in times of emergency situation. And this is helpline part where admin can update new contact numbers and manage the contact existing one. And this is like when the user puts a query to the admin, so this will be shown here, all the messages will be shown here, and admin can reply back to them. And next part is the SOS alert. So the admins can basically see all the SOS which has been posted, so they can approve it or delete the SOS alert which has been posted by the user. And let's move to the last part of the admin interface, which is admin inbox. The admin inbox is directly communicate with analytics team. So basically, the analytic teams will be posting all the incoming. They will be analyzing all the alerts and will be updating them to the admin so that admin can view all these alerts and he can post official posts so that user can see and get information. And so these are the basically features like which has been under high priority messages. So it will be help for the admin to manage the all the analytical updates. Begin with the last and most important part of our developed project, that is analytic interface. The analytic interface will also be having an early warning page same as the user and admin. But in the early warning page of analytics, we will be having an extra two buttons, that is export CSV and export JSON, so that they can export the data of live alerts and perform data analytics techniques to get a better insight of it. Let's move to the next part, which is hotspot page. High risk regions are highlighted to focus the preventive efforts. A heat map visualizes the alert frequency and severity. This helps in strategic planning and prioritizing the disaster prone areas. For this, we have taken the last year's cyclone attack, which is happened in the Tamil Nadu. Specifically, we have taken the Chennai area, and we have collected all the data from the social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And we have performed all the NLP, sentiment analysis, and VEDA techniques to get insights from this data and categorize it to visualize in the hotspot map. So basically what we have done here, based on the severity, we have categorized into three categories, and it is basically represented as green for the low and yellow for the medium and red for the high impact. For example, if I click the area on a map, we will be getting these insights representing what is the area name and what's the impact level, threat level, how much reports has been posted, how much post has been posted, and what is the top demands, which will be helpful for the analytics team to get better understanding for each area wise impact. And if you scroll down, we'll be having a summary card representing what is the high impact areas and what is the highest demand required for or of now, and how much social media post has been observed. And from the social media post, we'll be getting the top keywords and we'll be counting how much keywords has been observed so that it will be helpful for the analyst to get insights from the social media data. And we'll be having a bar graph representing the area wise impact and how much reports has been observed. And the next part will be having a data verification status. Here's a pie chart representing how much data has been verified and how much not verified, and this will be helpful for the analytic team to know that how much data has been verified from the backend services. So let's begin with the next page, which is impact page. The impact page analyzes the potential and actual disaster impact. It shows the affected areas with severity indicators and charts, provide expected damage and affected population statistics and resource requirements. This supports the preparedness and resource allocation based on the predicted impact. So here we'll be having an area-wise report count, how much like reports has been posted in the different areas, and actual needs of the people will be broken down into different categories, and will be having an count of each, and it will be represented by this pie chart. And next thing will be having how much post has been posted in each hour will be represented by this line graph, and severity index based on how much the region has been impacted from the natural disaster will be used to given the analytic team what has been the actual impact of the disaster in the region. And you'll be having the highest risk exposure for particularly we have designed to Chennai. So now currently you can see that last year the EGMO Chennai has the most impacted region, which is 9.2, which is the value represented how much value representing how much it has been impacted, and what are the needs, and how much post has been posted regarding it, and different regions critical impact areas of Chennai, and data verifications of how much data has been verified and which has been not verified from the citizen and social media post, and top keywords of the cyclone impact. Let's move to the last part of our analytic dashboard, which is admin communication. This is a page dedicated for directly communicating with the admin page. So we will be having a quick templates which will be generated by the backend services based on the severity index and impacted area and how much reports has been observed. And with help of this, the analytics teams can quickly ready the message and send to the admin so that the admin can respond with necessary resource allocations and mitigation strategies. And this is an additional thing like the admin team can message directly to the analytics teams what are their requirements and what are they need to currently focus on, and these informations for the analytics teams will be helps them to better understand and what are the requirements of the admin and work on it. In conclusion, the Oceanberg provides a comprehensive platform for the disaster management. User can receive alerts, report incidents, find safe routes. Admin can monitor alerts, validate reports, manage communication. The analytics interface supports data-driven decision making and disaster preparedness. Overall, the system ensures timely alerts, efficient management, and improved safety for all users. Thank you for watching the demo of Oceanberg.